to Checkout Gaming.
We are not unlocked yet.
We don't have a we don't have a face or anything.
Nothing. Son.
We're just like a silhouette. Hey, like a star piece.
Oh, how the hell did I miss that?
Oh, sweet.
I found the invisible one last game. And, yeah. So yeah, they took our. What did they take?
Our face, our identity. It's identity theft.
Yeah.
They did a palette swap. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. You're doing great.
Oh shit.
Bobbing and weaving. I didn't think you had it in you, but you fucking nailed it.
Serpentine.
Hey, yo, what's up, Slick? Been waiting for you. He popped out of the moon!
Yeah, you Mario, right? What a great name. And I really dig this body too, man. I can jump now and all kind of... I was thinking about calling myself Imperfect Cell or something.
I've been thinking about calling myself Gonzalez.
Yeah, man. Hey, you're so popular around here. I get mobbed. I just love being you. And yeah, it's so cool. I don't think I ever want to stop.
I don't think I can give it up.
So you figured it out by now, right, Slick? Your body, your name, your broad, your friends, your shoes,
Your bank account,
your car.
your Pokemon cards.
They belong. Your cryptocurrency. They all of it. They belong to me now. See, I got the power to change my shape into anyone I want. Comes in handy. But to really be someone, I need to take the name and body too.
No!
Which means I want your body.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
let's talk about these.
Tough break, Slick.
Oh,
It's not enough either. I aim to erase you for good.
erase these fists!
I guess it'd be unsporting to ruin you without a challenge. So I'll give you one chance. If you can guess my real name, and I'll give you back your name and your body. And hint, it's not Steve Harvey Ghost. What do you say, Slick? This will be fun, right? Now guess. What is my name? Hit me with your best shot.
Oh, I'm gonna do it alright. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters.
Hold on.
Do we get to name him now? Like we named... Is he our friend?
Hold on.
Gonzalez?
No, you better than that. How do you erase?
B. B button.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. This.
Yeah.
This.
Uh-huh.
What's the next one?
I don't know.
Shit. Well, I need a space.
Or a dash.
Shit. That ain't it. I need a space.
I don't think we got spaces.
Bam.
Oh, you found it.
Yep.
Nice. See Jin. See Jenny. See Captain Ginyu.
Body change! Body change! Is that clever?
Change places.
That's it.
Yeah, it's Captain Ginyu. Rangamundo, little nobody. Hey, who named that kid at? Prepare for doom, Slick.
Oh shit.
Rangamundo. And don't think about running from battle here. You're not allowed to run. Don't run, whatever you do. We don't like it when you run.
Fuck,
Don't
he's
do
running.
it. Don't. Hey,
Shit,
hey. You're not thinking about running, are you? You better not. Hey, don't run.
Don't. Hey,
You know how me and you, we get along. You do whatever I say. Don't run.
listen.
Hey, listen.
All evil doings aside,
Hey, listen.
I don't have any friends, and this is the most
kind of
social
alone.
interaction
I'm
I've
sort
had.
of lonely over here. Can you stay? Hey, Luigi's in the audience. He must be very confused.
Wow. Jeez. Why is Wario fighting Silhouette, my brother?
That's very funny that he kept the Wario. I didn't even notice that.
It's fucking funny. If we...
Hey, you better not be thinking about running away. Hey, oh. You're allowed to run, but don't do it. Hey,
About to get some more...
hey, Mario. Hey. You're not
Get
even
some more
Mario.
shit, yeah.
Oh, hey, can't hurt me none. I can hurt you though. This is a fair fight. Look at the fucking rocks.
Damn! He just pulled
Smashed
out.
him.
Killed the shit out of that guy.
Hey, whatever you doing, I'll run. Okay. Hey, what are you? Hey, don't look at that. Hey, don't. Hey, listen. How long far we go back? Hey, yeah, that's it. Yeah, you like appealing, right? Yeah. Yeah, wave to the audience, chump. Get over here. I'll fucking send you back to Ohio. Yeah. All right. Yeah. No. Hey. You just keep throwing fucking rocks at you, man.
Damn, he jumped off the stage with it. Alright.
Hey, now hey, whoa, hey, where you going, buddy? Hey, no, buddy, no.
Fuck that.
No, that's no fun.
Oh, damn.
Aw, dang
Oh,
it.
damn.
Double dog, dang it.
I told him. He didn't answer.
He stuck around for a long time. Longer than I thought he
Wait a
would.
second, all the pig people are no longer pigs.
Yeah, they're humans now because he dropped a quiz. The perfect yellow cap, the scuffed purple overalls. He's the absolute best.
Oh, wow, they remember I changed.
Why don't you do something about your appearance and spiff up like Mario, huh?
You fucking...
Mario, sir, is cool. Not like you fucking loser.
You former pig.
Oh, non true, monsieur. Man, I will.
Hell no.
What? You. The curse was lifted. I can't stop winking. What should I do?
Oh, jeez.
I want to listen to the Frenchman some more. He's
Shit.
one of my favorites.
It's the Powerpuff
Oh, it's the
Girls.
Powerpuff Girls from the before. They got turned into pigs. There were pigs there.
Oh. I wasn't paying attention. We should probably see the mayor.
Hey, the mom's okay.
Thanks to Mario, our village is back to normal at last.
Cool.
If you see Mario, you should thank it.
Thanks.
Hating ass.
I'll do that.
Y'all are hating.
Hating.
He took my wallet and oh. What'll I do? What'll I do? Poor me.
The accent gets stronger when she gets sad. She won't recognize you because you're not Mario.
I'm looking for something very important. If I don't find it, my sister's going to punish me again. It should be around here something, but I just can't find it. But you're a ghost and you've been finding shit by accident just by running around as a ghost, so maybe that'll fucking help me.
The mayor's house is that one right there.
I'm looking for...
Oh, you gotta hammer the bushes.
Tell you lied.
Did I? Did I lie? Or did I say the absolute truth? Like I often do.
A blind nut finds a squirrel every once in a
That's probably true. Going.
This motherfucker.
Breakfast for Big Time. I'm gonna go to the swine side. I'm gonna be more positive. There's no more pig curse? You're kidding. Could you give me some time alone?
This fucker wanted to be a pig.
He was ready. He was ready to let it take him.
Wow. Huh? Whoa! Y'all just...
Thank you. We owe Mario so much.
They cooking one of their people!
They're cooking a pig! Please take this as a soakador. Thanks. Eat up.
They eating homeboys and shit.
Now, who might you be? I don't remember inviting any shadows to my house.
First of all, racism. Second, he
Sorry.
took my clothes.
But Mario's visiting today. If you don't need anything, please leave.
Bitch, on me.
I don't speak shadow. Boy, Mario sure is chatty all of a sudden. I mean, he like never talks.
Didn't I tell you something?
Oh well, I guess it's not too totally weird or anything.
Mario's different. I mean, he's sort of like the life of the party now, and he's that's cool. He kind of treats me like a piece of shit. Oh, you walked off just like Mario.
My, Mario is rather dramatic of late, isn't he? To be honest, I rather enjoyed his quiet dignity and strength of character.
Oh my god.
He's going in a chair.
Dude, you want to know if Gonzalez has been acting?
This reminds me of hanging out with my cousins every Thanksgiving and going off on walks, coming back super fucking blazed,
I mean,
having an amazing Thanksgiving.
I guess he's like more annoying now or something, and all the weird shouts and yuck, and I'm pretty sure he took my lighter and
my hash, dude. What the fuck?
You can go back to Vivian.
Not cool, man. What's it going through it?
If I don't find it, my sister gonna punch me again.
I just.
It should be around here somewhere. I can't find it.
Oh. What? What? You found it? It's. Oh yay! It's my favorite watermelon. Oh, thank you so. Blessed your sweet Badooshus. Thank goodness. At least I won't get punished now.
Oh,
Oh, the hook. It's broken. It must have broken when my sister dropped it. What'll I do? Down diddle damn do.
well, I did do diddly do.
Why does everything have to go wrong? I'm gonna listen to Hawthorne Heights and just eat gruel all day.
Gruel.
Here, let me fix it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, don't even bother trying. It's pretty fucked up. What'll I do? Damn do. Do appreciate your offer.
Oh, it vanished.
Wait a second. What's your name anyway? Why won't you tell me? What? I can't hear you. Your name was stolen. I see. Okay, it's a good thing I took that American Sign Language class. I guess that happens from time to time. No, wait. Your name was stolen. That didn't quite right. Well, I'm not sure what kind of call that problem is, but it fits, I guess. You're kind of purple like me a little bit. Let's just...
They're flirting.
Gee whiz, you have way worse problems than I
He
do.
was just telling the story.
And you were worried about me that whole time? That's so kind. Well, alright, well that's it. I'm gonna help you get your name and your body and your friends. Hey, that's okay. Don't worry about my problems. Fuck those bitch sisters I have anymore.
Really?
I really want to stay with them, but they're kind of bitches if I had to be honest. Truth is, it took me a while to realize I was their sister, not their brother. Like, they're usually bullying me and doesn't make me feel good. Anyway, to repay your kindness, yeah, whatever. Let's hang out.
Mwah.
So you want some ghost pussy or something? Sick! I gotta keep doing this accent.
Do you want to trade it over?
Nah, bro.
No, we'll do. We've kind of done that with all the companions. We've all kind of swapped back and forth.
Well,
like whoever else takes a voice for whoever's talking.
No. I'm not done with it by any means.
Okay.
I'm just actually study it now. So
Yeah, right.
Since she's on the team,
Yeah.
Vivian's gang.
You gotta do. She gang. You gotta do something that like you can rock with for a long term.
Let's do it. Press X. Pull Mario into the shadows where they can hide.
Whoop. What are they doing in here?
Oh.
Could be anything.
Oh.
Boo 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 boo.
Where's that lighter?
where everyone in this fucking game. Oh my god. What's my lighter?
I guess we need to find out that ghost's real name first, huh? That'll be a start. Well, how are we gonna get that kind of information? Let's go on Facebook! No, wait, first pretend
Check your friends list.
innocent with people around, but they're actually really well informed from all that flying around and eavesdropping. With my power, I can hide in sounds and listen to their conversations without them knowing. In addition to villagers, let's also try to get some info from the local birds.
Cool. There's some birds in that tree on there, right there. So I was chatting with Ratbeak and Toadtown on Instant Messenger yesterday.
Oh my god, I was
And
right!
He just gone fiber optic on his home network, you know? You believe that?
This mother bird's got jobs.
Right, I bet he's downloading like 100 meg apps with no problem on those fat pipes, dude.
He's crushing it.
He's probably surfing that Feather Club for Crow's sites, light speed right now, probably looking at some prime.
Yeah, it just blows me away, all this information age hype you hear about. And yet, it's all games and Featherlost sites that are driving the technology.
Yeah, but I think tech bust survivors can thrive if they get viable business models.
Fucking stock bros.
Wow.
Stock crows.
Stock crows. That's great.
I've been really depressed lately. Thinking about the depletion of fossil fuels.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, tell me about it. We've got to come up with a renewable energy source before that happens.
Like wind or hydroelectric. I think solar energy is probably the greatest potential.
Why are the birds the smartest?
I love the birds.
Alright.
There's more to the right.
Yeah. God damn.
This is fun. I like birds.
Why the birds have the most?
They have the most to say.
They got. I'm telling you, the birds get a spin-off. So.
Alas, this twilight world is too full of pain and contradiction, too full of broken dreams. Perhaps I was only given wings so that I could flee the terror of mundanity.
Fucking Edgar Allan
Crowe.
Crowe. Edgar Allan Crowe over here. Here we go. It's gotta
Yeah,
be
never
y'all.
more, bro.
It's gotta be y'all.
Hey, Mud, listen to this. Ronnie, my oldest, is taking his SATs this year.
Oh, is little Ronnie that age already? Bless his feathers, Flo.
I'm proud of them.
Fucking Ronnie the bird
This is the best.
is in school.
I love that. What's that Mario guy meeting with the mayor? He's actually the bad guy, right?
Shit, they
know everything!
They know what the fuck.
And nobody even knows. Humans are so dumb. Makes me want to pick their noses.
Yeah, the only soul that knows that bad guy's name is locked under creepy steeple, I hear.
And it's obvious that saying his real name is his one weakness.
So, I wonder how all this is gonna end up then?
Thanks, birds.
Under creepy steeple.
Did you hear that? If we search under creepy steeple, maybe we can find that real guy's name. That guy's real name. I get my words mixed up sometimes. Let's go to creepy steepy. Please go into the store. I want to see how this all unfolds.
Oh my god.
André, monsieur, when I woke, I was here, at the shop. I swear it. Je ne passe. Please, say something. Mademoiselle, I meant you. No harm, I promise. Crazy mon. No, untrue. Alright.
What?
Collect the goods and she sells them. Simple. A good shop, like a
Oh.
good marriage, is dependent on teamwork, my friend.
He's a
So
husband.
show your support by buy something. Oh, this is awkward. That pig wasn't my husband after all. This guy is younger and kind of handsome.
Oh shit, she cruising.
What a strapping fellow. Perhaps it's time I traded in for a new husband. I'm only fooling. Anyway, want to do some store stuff?
God no.
Come back soon.
All right, so I need you to
Give me
the-
one more with the French guy. Yeah, I got him.
Uh,
I do not understand this madness. Pastor, not at all. I just do not get it. I remember coming here to that pipe. But it gets fuzzy after that. And now I do not know why I am here.
why they got fringe on?
Not that it is a problem. This young woman is quite fetching, eh?
Oh my god.
She has a chance. What were you saying? What did you need me to do?
Hold on. Let me take a run at this.
I do not understand les matters
Way
passent
thick.
après. I remember quand j'étais pipe. But then it gets all fucked up after that. I do not know why I'm here. Not a problem.
She's standing in the corner like, God, I love his ass. Look at that fucking thing.
She really.
Look at his poses. I don't even care that he's nerdy
Oh
and got an
my
afro.
God, this motherfucker's the Fonz.
Entranced
Holy shit.
with that booty.
What the fuck? It's the fringe.
Yeah, that's what it
That's
is.
what it is. Oh no, the fro. Between the fringe and the fro, she
Yeah.
don't know what to do.
She's just like things that are dangling.
Mm.
Hey, yo, what up, Slick? Been waiting for you. I would have done this back in time, but it didn't look very good, would it?
He gonna
Fuck the
break
moon!
He keep fucking up our good stage. So, this is the one who stole your name and body. He looks sort of... I remember him.
Alright, cut the chatter. Here's the deal. You get your chance, then I stomp you. If you guess my real name, you get your real body attack. Fire away, no name. That's probably what it is. It was me all along. Ragamundo, little nobody. Who named that kid that?
Don't run.
Don't run now. Hey,
Alright.
I know you ran before and it worked out real good for you. Won't work out for you this time, I promise. Hey, oh shit, your health is really low. You actually should have stopped at the end.
I forgot. We've never needed the end.
We've never needed the end before.
Well, probably once, and I ran the opposite way.
Yeah. Can you go back left and just escape right away?
I don't think so. He must have been hiding it. Well, forget him. Let's go get your name back.
I think you're gonna love Vivian because if you flub a line, you just dim the rest of it.
Oh, it's
It's a little cheat code.
Woo! Use
Oh,
the rock.
give him the whippy wub. Yo! Later, nerd. See if you got a healing item you can use. What?
Oh, you don't like? Is this making you nervous?
Walking around on 8 health? Yeah.
Let's see.
Super shroom, I guess. Oh, okay.
Hold on.
You really get B and A sweepy swapped.
They are different on every other
Yeah,
video
you're
game
right.
system.
Yeah. You're not wrong.
I'm gonna have to like not play no other games. I'm gonna just have to no life this shit.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, alright.
There you go. You happy?
We're running a little short on healing items, but that's fine. We got plenty of ass-kicking items. That's all we need.
I mean, just within this session, I'm pretty sure we banked like almost $300.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe.
All right, so we gotta go under Creepy Steepy.
Yep.
There you go. You happy?
We get to see what Vivian's made of. Nice. Nice!
Damn. You know what I just realized?
What's that?
What's her name? Flurry almost had her first star thing,
We almost cared enough to do anything about it.
but now Vivian's here, and if she hide in shadows with Mario to avoid
So, if they both charge, and you're like, I'm not going to be able to get on this turn,
Fuck that,
fail,
you
and you're
hide.
good.
attack with a burning punch that sets enemies.
Enemies.
Oh!
It gives you a
well,
random
shit.
thing each turn, yeah. And then it looks like the stylish is after you come back up.
Yeah. Okay. Hell yeah. Shit's fun.
And for no other reason. Does it do less than a jump attack? Yes, but I get to throw a hammer. Boy, you gotta learn the buttons for her, huh?
Oh my god, that's awful.
It's fine, you can finish them.
How much you got?
8 total, and you've done at least 5 to him, so like a jump would do it.
Cool.
She does 3 on a miss, which means she does at least 4 on a hit, which is pretty strong for a companion. That's Goombella or better.
Okay, alright. So when I come over here, I'm gonna just stare at the controller for the first 5 minutes before playing.
Where you going? Where are you going that way?
Oh, damn it.
I hope the flower doesn't come back.
Nah, it won't, man. We good.
Yeah, we're good.
I was
Fully
ra-
prepared to come around the corner.
flying off faith, dog. I wasn't even sure if that was real. Just
Just doing my best. Just hoping for the best outcome.
nah, man. Bad things don't happen.
It really like sticks below you. You know what I mean?
Oh.
Item? I got earthquakes for days, yeah.
Got him for days. Damn. Damn.
Oh, get him, Vivian. We're looking at the controller.
piece of my thumb touch day. I know which ones be, I promise. Oh, he's just gonna run.
Later, nerds.
Motherfucker.
Right, if you damage them, they're likely to run.
Oh,
Which
wait.
is an ideal outcome anyway, because you're not getting star points from these guys.
Was that real? Did they already say that?
Yeah, that was in their
Oh.
catalog.
Am I going the right way?
Yes, left.
Okay. Left or east?
Both at the same time.
Oof.
A jump is a jump. A win is a win. Boop. Bap. You got peonies! Look at this, Mario!
Holy shit, it's a bunch of them too.
Mario's on stage and is doing cool stuff.
No, who's that guy? They don't know because Mario's his
yeah,
other
it's
dude.
Just some weirdo. Oh, he's got 3 defense. Mario's getting his ass kicked. We gotta go.
Stupid asses.
Quake Hammer. Yeah. Quake Hammer is the answer to so many problems. Oh my god!
Oh.
If something scary happens, all the punies run. And it was nothing but punies. Not a 1 so far. Not a single one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Y is left, X is top, B is bottom, A is right.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Okay. Huh? Rebel Cape. Party member.
Buff.
Dodger. Cool.
Cool. Thanks, game. Hey-o.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out an alternative method for remembering the buttons, which I have.
Vivian's the one to teach you how to do it, if anyone knows game well.
You. Oh,
Good dodge.
that was great.
That was great.
I didn't. That wasn't on purpose, dog.
Healing.
Nah, we don't need it.
You do.
Oh, you don't think you didn't think that was funny.
So right there. That well. Pat.
Ah, beneath the creepy steepy.
Solid choice.
Wait a second, aren't they annoying?
I don't think you've ever fought them before. They got big defense, but they flip over if you jump on them. So that's the deal. Multi bounces for multiple targets.
I gotta start reading these.
So he's got less than 11 hit points.
Sounds about right
Sounds
for
about
a
right
single
for a
jobber.
turtle.
Like, oh, drink some Sprite. All right. Oh! Hey!
He gotcha.
Oh, shit, what the fuck am I supposed to do here?
I fight them all.
Oh my
Quake
God.
Hammer,
Okay,
right?
yeah. Just walk into a room and it's... Oof. I gotta start watching things. Damn!
So they got more than 4 hit points. Shade Fist. Nice. Oh, you know what? It does the same damage, but it sets one fire when you nail it. Oh, I'm gonna quick kill him. More than 4, less than 7.
Money. Matt,
Stars.
how do you know that?
It's the timing of when it happens. You get the block right before the reward for whatever it is.
God, you know everything. Run! Run! Run!
The panic. You can push the wall on the right. I don't know if they can chase you up there, but that's the way. In the original game, this version had, oh god, all
Oh,
these enemies,
shit.
and also spiky versions that are also flying.
That fucking stuck in the ground.
Oh.
Oh,
Is he
shit.
stuck there for longer?
Is his shell
His spike is
cracked?
stuck in there.
Dude, I feel bad for him, dog.
I think it's cracked. I think it's a texture that the other ones have as well.
Oh.
It looks like they got 6 hit points. 5 or 6. So another Quake will do both of them.
Knocking it into enemies behind him.
1 damage.
That's cool, because Shade Fisk is gonna kill him. Shit.
He has at least 3 defense. And it looks like 3 damage.
I thought I was on something with the chain attack thing. I was just feeling myself,
yeah,
yo.
it's good. Quick attack is also a chain attack, though. It would be good if you didn't have the Quake badge attached.
God damn.
What? Cool. They seem to be short-sighted. You can't move while you're under. But they do lose you. You can push the door to the right.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you were saying. Hug the door to the right.
Did I say hug? I meant push.
You failed me.
Well, I'm sorry. I tried my best.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Thanks.
What's the point of a door?
Hey, Vivian, do you have any ideas? Look at that. Vivian had ideas.
I did that.
That was my plan and my idea.
I did that.
And me alone did that
God damn, Mario.
with my brain.
Mario really gets credit for everything. God, man, Mario had a good idea of using Vivian to do the thing. Really? He's not even here. Pissed me off. Man, what do we do with this puzzle? If only Mario was here. It's his fault he put us here anyway. I could just undo this.
And crush yourself to death.
Oh God, I didn't realize it was
Horrifying.
skinny. God, that'd be some crazy shit.
Hadn't considered the steaks. Delicious.
God, you keep
I'm
thinking
still
about
thinking about
steaks.
steak. Yeah. Left it is.
We-
Oh, there's a tunnel there. Hello.
All right, T. I
All
need
right,
your help.
yeah.
I need your help.
What's up?
He has stoner eyes, so I'm just inclined to go full woodsy on this one. I need you to.
I got him. I'll take him.
Mr. Softener. Has your
Power
Viagra,
Plus. Hell yeah.
has your Viagra
Stack them.
Has your Viagra not stopped working? Try Mr. Softener.
Silky.
Oh, door to some room. Cool.
The letter P.
Oh,
Oh, in the talking thing, there was one of the letters was missing.
talking thing.
In the "What's my name, Slick?" thing. What's up, bird? And good morning. Good morning. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Scrock, what happened to those weirdos who were just here? Oh, whatever. It was almost nice to have some company. I mean, no matter how important it is that no one knows his real name. Locking me up in here just because I know it. Making me guard the name's stupid missing letter. It's no way to treat a parrot. I really want a cracker. Dupliss, you big meanie. It's feeding time, huh? The Scrock. The
Bird.
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 I'm a bird.
Bird. Mine.
Pretty bird.
Mine.
Pretty bird.
Mine.
I'm a regular bird. Man, I'm tired of this stupid parrot babble act. So demeaning. And Guardian's dumb letter here. Something Dupliss. Man, Dupliss.
Man.
I
am a bird.
I do bird things.
I'm just a.
I'm a regular bird.
Man, any of y'all got some kibble or
I
whatever?
love bird
I eat?
food. All right, we'll figure out Dupliss's real name next time on Check Out Gaming.
Who?
Dupliss?
Oh, wait. Huh? We heard that. We heard you, little birdie. Dupliss. That's his name. Like duplicity.
He's duplicitous.
As in to make a copy of something. Dupliss. That's his name.
Dupliss.
Let's go get your name and body back from that meanie. And we'll teach him a lesson or two about identity theft and the consequence of it.
We'll take him to court next time on Check Out Gaming.
Check out the attorneys.
Bye.